we need to talk about the absolute secret sauce of editing: graphs. If you've ever wondered why your edits look stiff and robotic, while your favorite creators have transitions that are buttery smooth and mesmerizing, the answer is always graphs. Now, don't panic. I know the word graph brings back nightmares of school exams and complex equations. Forget all of that. Editing graphs are entirely different. They don't care about math formulas. They only care about the feeling of motion. All you need to understand is one simple rule. The slope of the graph controls the speed of your object. Think of it like a hill. If the line is completely flat, there's no motion. Time is moving forward, but nothing is happening. If the line is a straight, robotic diagonal, you get constant speed. It starts instantly, moves like a machine, and stops abruptly. It has no weight or momentum. Usually, this is what we want to avoid. But if that line curves and gets steep, like a cliff, that means explosive speed. The steeper the slope, the faster your object blitzes across the screen. And when the line curves gently and flattens out, it slows down. This is called easing, and it's how we create realistic acceleration and deceleration. Once you get this, you unlock the two holy grails of editing: ease in, where the graph starts flat and gets steep, perfect for launching an object out of the frame, and ease out, where it bursts in fast and smoothly glides to a perfect stop. Combine them into an S-curve, and you get that ultra-clean, elastic flow that keeps people watching your edits on loop. If you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe.